Guys, we're here with the Nike Method Core drone, this new futuristic putter here. Definitely full mallet, unique looking, but when set up looks really good. One of the tests we want to do here is about audible tone and how this drone has one of the most unique sounds we've heard to date. So we wanted to hit a couple of balls. We got a boom mic down here and let you guys hear the sound. So here we go. One of the things that we're seeing here is the core insert has a really good sound that's a high pitch tone and incredibly unique, like we said before, but it gives you really solid feedback to whether you're hitting it dead straight, off the toe, or a little off. So while not a training aid and a regular putter that seems to work rather well, it can really assist you in making sure you're making good contact with your putter. Thanks.